Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Now I know y'all are in the comment section of the previous video because I call you girl Sissy very bitter because of what she said about doing. But I said what I said. Sissy is a bitter soul. She is vengeful. It is what it is. But if you want her to win the show, better go and vote for her, because obviously she's not going to win any of our votes. It's either Pere or Ilebaye. Now that being said, today is the last pool party in Big Brother's house, and of course they had their last money point game in Big Brother's house. We might be expecting even another game that should be via Innocent for their car winning and stuff. But of course, in this particular video, I'm just going to let you in on how the pool party went and all the goodies that it shared. See, I swear, YouTube banned me for all this moaning sounds I'm making. So before the pool party, we saw where Pere and Ceec, they just finished money points games. So no, Ceec and Pere dragging each other. Oh, leave me alone. I don't want to go there. I'm like, look at these two people. I swear what these people are finding, what they are looking for. Anyways, we saw how the pool party was very cozy. Let me just be honest. Today's pool party was just there. It's one of those times where you need to unwind from so much stress, just relax inside the water. And of course, it seems like literally all these housemates that are available in the finale, none of them sabi swim. Look at Cross sitting down on floater, still holding the banner so that he will not fall inside water and sink. Or was it Sissy? Sissy literally got overturned by one of the floaters that she was in. Like, she got overturned. Girl almost drank water. Like, she almost got drowned. I was like, Lord have mercy, girl. Lord have mercy. And then, of course, Ceec. Ceec. Girl was swimming on her own in the water, with her long hair. Then, she was just swinging in the water. Soon enough, she'll stand and then turn and be shakity bubble. Right now that I'm even speaking, this girl, no, Ceec is looking for something from Pere, and she will get it. Inside or outside of this house, she must get it. Until the show now turned even hotter. Her and Pere were literally standing face to face each other at one angle of the pool. And girl turned back and was, jiggly to the left, jiggly to the right. That's what girl was doing. And then thinking that was all and done, soon enough they were facing each other and she was over his own body. Now imagine when somebody's over another person, they're both facing up inside water. That's how they were going, bouncy. I don't want to use some certain words because we know how YouTube can be, but these housemates are indeed crazy. And soon enough, when they were done, we saw them sleeping anyhow. While they were sleeping, Ilebaye was sleeping, Sissy was sleeping, Adekunle, I know he got dressed and went to go and relax. Cross was bouncing ball in the head of house lounge. But look at Ceec and Pere running around from dressing room to kitchen. These guys. Anyways, guys, that's all I have for you this video. This one is not going to be long because I need to bring you aftermath of this pool party. So, of course, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell button to have a notification on every post I make. Don't you dare forget to share comments down below and share this video so that more people can get to, do what it is.